Hi friends, this is Salvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today let us discuss about IPv6 redistribution issues. So here I connected three routers R1, R2 and R3. So R1 I configured RIPNG. This is a RIP routing protocol for IPv6 and OSP version 3. This is a routing protocol for IPv6. So these are three routers and R2 I configured as a border router. So there should be at least one redistribution point for redistributing the one routing protocol into another routing protocol. So this is architecture, and to this R1 and R3 I have connected two different hosts. Both are IPv6 hosts. So for this host, it will assign the prefix from R1 and PC2 will assign the prefix from R3. So for some reason from PC1 and I am not able to reach PC2, and from PC2 I am not able to ping PC1. So we need to go and debug the issues. So let us go to the individual routers and let us now start debugging. So let us check the routing protocol. Show IPv6 protocol is a command for checking the protocol configured on individual routers. So R1 I configured the routers RIPNG, right? There is a rerouting protocol for IPv6, and R2 is a border router. So we have to configure both the routing protocols, right? So it will show both the RIPNG and the OSPF version 3. And R3, as I told, we have configured the OSPF version 3. Show IPv6 protocols, right? So this is a command for checking the protocols running on the individual router. So now let us check the routing table. Show IPv6 route. For IPv4 we will specify show IP route. So here show IPv6 route. So this is it will show all the destination networks. So let us see what are the networks it is showing. So it is showing the connect interface 1, 2, and it is also showing the directly connected PC prefix, right? So this interface it is showing, but it is not showing the destination network. There is a remote network, it is not showing. This network and this prefix it is not showing in this routing table. So let us ping the directly connected interfaces. One I am able to reach, and two I am able to reach, and let us reach. So I'm not able to reach this specific interface. So obviously the problem should be there in the border router, right? This is a border router which will do the redistribution. So we have to go and fix the issue. So let us go to the border router. R2 is a border router. So let us check for the access list. So whether we have configured any access list, or that might be a passive interface might be blocking. So let us check for any passive interface. So there is even no passive interface. So what are other things we can check? So let us check for the prefix list. So another the option is the prefix list. So this is used for filtering the prefix. Yeah. So there is a prefix list which is filtering the specific network. This network, that is the reason I'm not able to ping from PC1 to PC2. So let us ping from PC1 to PC2, right? So let us do a PC2 ping. So PC2 IPv6 address is this. So let us ping now. You are able to see there is no route to the destination, and it is throwing error ICMP type 1, that is code 0, no route to the destination. And also let us check from PC2, right? So let us ping PC1 IP. So after that we'll go and fix the issue. Okay, show IPv6 and this IP you copy. This is an IPv6 global unicast address. So let us ping now. So either way I can't reach both PC1 and PC2. So we need to go and fix the issue. So right. So what we can do, let us go to the border router. That is R2 is a border router. So let us go to the border router and let us remove this. It is denying the corresponding subnet, right? The destination network. So let us remove this. Go to configuration mode. No IPv6 prefix list, and we have to specify the block. I removed this. So now let us check the interfaces. So now you can see the routing table. It will show all the entries. Let us see the routing entries. Show IPv6 route. Yeah. So now you are able to see all the routing entries in the routing table, IPv6 routing table. We are able to see the this prefix. Both the prefix we are able to see, right? :1, 2001, 111, :1 and 2. Let us ping it. 2001. I'm able to reach. Also, let us ping the. So this is a directly connected interface, and let us check from R3 also. Let us check from R3, show IPv6 route. So let us check the show IPv6 route and let us check the ping. So let us go to, so here also I'm able to reach the interfaces, right? So from R3 I'm able to reach this. So let us ping and check it out from R3. So R3 I'm able to see all the routing table and it is advertising as OE2. You are able to see, right? So REPNG, it is advertising as external OSPF external route. That is the reason we are seeing as OE2. And this is a remote destination network. This is a OSPF route. When it is advertised into REP, it will show as OE2. So let us ping it out. Ping 2001 : 1. So I'm able to reach both the ways, right? So now let us do a ping from PC1 to PC2. So I'm able to ping from PC1 to PC2. Similarly, let us ping from PC2 to PC1. Let us do it. So I'm able to reach both the host, right? The only issue is the IPv6 prefix list. So that prefix list, I have created a deny statement which is denying the specific prefix. That is the reason it is blocking the subnet. That is the reason we are not at this, especially this prefix is not advertised in this R1 routing table, and entirely this prefix not advertised in the R3 routing table. So once we remove this, now we're able to reach from PC1 to PC2. So this is how we have to debug the issue. And another thing I want to show you, let us go to PC1 and I want to show how it will getting the IPv6 address. So let us go to this configuration. So it will receive the prefix from R1, right? It is receive the prefix from R1 and it will append the interface ID. So this interface ID, it will generate from the MAC address. Lost in the MAC address, right? 48-bit MAC address. Interface ID is 64-bit. So it will generate from the 48-bit MAC address. So this is the thing. First is the prefix and last is the interface ID, which is generated from the PC1 MAC address. So first PC2 will receive the prefix. Similarly, it will generate the unicast, global unicast address, right? So that is the way it works. So how we can check the command is show IPv6. So you can see this prefix in PC2, you can see the corresponding prefix from R2. Show IPv6. So we can see the prefix, right? 2001 333. That is the prefix it received from this corresponding interface. That's the thing I want to show you. And another one more thing, if you want, let us do a configuration check. Show run. So how we are doing the redistribution. So either ways it will be helpful. We should know how to configure the redistribution. Also, we should know how to fix the issue, right? So IPv6 router OSPF 100. So this is a border router. So we have to configure both the routing protocol. IPv6 router OSPF, we have to enable in the configuration mode. Then specify the router ID. Then we have to do the redistribute. Redistribute RIP. This is the keyword RIP-NG. Any keyword you can give. Then followed by the metric value. Similar way, enable RIP IPv6 router RIP-NG is the keyword. Then redistribute OSPF followed by the process ID and the metric value. So this is the way we can perform the redistribution. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day.